Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the story of village Palampur. In earlier video, we discussed the introduction of the chapter. Means we discussed that what is this main story of the chapter, that the story is related with the farming activity and the other also production, various type of production activity. So what are the factor of production that we have also discussed in the previous video? So what are the factor of production? Land, labor and capital. These are the mainly factor of production on which all the economic activity are based. Okay, or we can say production take place. So Palampur is well connected with neighboring village and town. Raiganj, a big village, is 3 kilometers from Palampur. So Raiganj is a big village and that is 3 kilometers from Palampur. An all-weather road connects for the village to Raiganj and further on to the nearest small town of Shapur. So the road connected with the near town also and with Raiganj also. Many kinds of transport are visible on this road, starting from bullock carts, tangas, buggies, wooden cart drawn by buffaloes, buggies उसको बोलते हैं, loaded with jaggery good and other commodities to motor vehicle like motorcycle, jeep, tractor and truck. So all these type of transportation facility can be seen on the road. So imagine a village that is well connected with the neighboring villages and towns, and there are road transportation facilities, road facilities. Village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. Means different type of caste people are living, and near about 450 families. The ET upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. It means 80 upper caste families are there. They have the majority. Their houses, some of them quite large. It means they have big houses, are made of brick with cement plastering. The Assis Dalit comprise 1/3 of the population and live in one corner of the village. So the Dalit caste, that families are 1/3 of the total population in the village, and they live in one corner of the village and in much smaller houses, some of which are of mud and straw. So their houses are of like a juggi type. So मीन्स दैट झुग्गी टाइप, लाइक जो घास फूस से मतलब बना के जो झुग्गी बनाई जाती है, उनके हाउसेज ज़्यादातर उससे बने हुए हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउसेज हैव इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउसेज हैव इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर all the tubewell in the field is used in various type of small business. Okay, electricity power, all the tubewell means tubewell are also run by the electricity and is used in various type of small business. Palampur has 2 primary school. There are 2 primary school, means 1 to 5th, and 1 high school. There is a primary health center, PHC, primary health center, run by the government, and 1 private dispensary where the sick are treated. Private hospital भी है जहाँ पे बीमारों को देखा जाता है, and also PHC, primary health center, that is run by the government. Okay. So the above descriptions shows that Palampur has fairly well developed system of road, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools and health centers. Compare this facility with those in your nearby village. So you see nearby your village, that village having all this facility that Palampur having. Like Palampur is well connected, well developed road, transportation facilities available, irrigation facility, electricity facility, schools are also there, primary, higher secondary, then health center are also there. So a village having all the facilities. Okay. So the story of Palampur, an imaginary village means they have taken the imaginary now. Exactly, the Palampur exist. It is in Himachal, I think so. Okay, but in book they have given that imaginary village will take us through the different type of production activities in the village. Okay, so this village will tell us, means the story of the village will tell us about the different type of production activities in the village. So what is production? Yesterday in previous video we have discussed what is production. What is production? Production is a process in which goods and services are produced within the specific period of time. Okay, so production activity in the village. In villages across India, farming is the main production activity. So when we talk about India, so almost villages in the India, farming is the main production activity. All near about now also 52% or we can say 53% population is working in the farming only. The other production activity refers to as non-farm activity includes small manufacturing, transportation, shopkeeping, etc. Small manufacturing like dairy, okay, transport, shopkeeping. We shall take a look at both these type of activities. So in this chapter we will discuss or we will read about both type of activities. Okay, farming activities and non-farming activities. After learning a few general things about production, so firstly we will know about the production, that what is production and how production take place, what we need for the production. Okay, so what we need for the production, in earlier video we talk about this. So the aim of the production is to produce the goods and services that we want. So why production is done? Production is done, why? Because we need goods and services. Okay, there are 4 requirements for the production of goods and services that we discussed in previous video. The first requirement is land and that is natural resources, and also water, forest, minerals. So all these are natural resources that are required for the production activity. Second is labor. So the labor, the people who will do the work. Some production activity require highly educated workers. So there are 2 types of worker are needed, skilled and unskilled. Some work there is highly educated and skilled workers are needed, like teachers are teaching you. So skilled teachers are needed. Skilled means educated teachers are needed. Okay, skilled teachers are needed means they can teach you. If an uneducated people cannot teach the classes. So there is 2 type of people need, like educated workers and uneducated workers. So in some work like factories there, so production take place in the factory, like cloth manufacturing. So sewing of clothes, stitching we can say of cloth, is not necessary that he or she should be educated, highly educated, and less educated person can also work. Okay, so educated worker to perform the necessary task. Other activities require worker who can do manual work. Each worker is providing the labor necessary for production. Okay, so labor means the people who do the work. The third requirement is physical capital. So we having physical capital means which we can see and touch. The variety of input required at every stage during production. What are the items that come under physical capital? So tools, machines, building, all these are physical capital. Tools and machine range from very simple tools such as farmer plow. तो फार्मर को अपने मतलब फार्मिंग में प्लो की जरूरत है, तो दैट इज फिजिकल कैपिटल ओनली. To sophisticated machines such as generator, turbines, computer, tool, machines, building can be used in production over many years and are called fixed capital. Okay. So these are called fixed capital these physical capitals are called fixed capital. Why? Because these can be used many years. Machines, buildings, these are rapidly used. Rapidly used goods are called fixed capital. And raw material and money in hand, these are called production. Require a variety of raw materials such as the yarn used by the weaver and also clay used by the potter. So some money is always required during the production to make payment. So money and raw material that we need for the production is called working capital. Why? Because these are one time used. Okay, means if you having 100 rupees and you purchase something, that again that 100 rupees you cannot use. Okay, so that is only one time use. So raw material means like to make potter we need clay. So that one time that clay can be used, cannot be used rapidly. Okay, so that is working capital. Unlike tool, machine and building, these are used up in the production. Okay, so like machines, building, this working capital is also used in the production. This is there is fourth requirement too. You will need knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together. So we have the factor of production, but to put all these things together we need entrepreneur to be able to put together land, labor and capital and produce an output either to use yourself or to sell in the market. This these days is called human capital. So human capital, we also need human capital. Okay, so what is human capital, you have to find out. Okay, and I will explain this human capital in detail in the next video. Okay, so students, watch this video and read this chapter from your book. Okay, we have discussed about the introduction of the chapter. That chapter is that story of village Palampur. Palampur is a well connected village having facility, road transportation facility, education facility, health facilities, and farming, non-farming activities take place. So what is required for the production, that we have discussed. Factor of production we have discussed. Okay, so if you face any doubt, any problem, you are free to ask. Thank you, students.